Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this camera flash transition on CapCut PC. Select your two videos and then I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in this wide stock video, and you're just going to make it pretty small but not super small. Go to animation and add in a fade in and fade out, and just adjust it so you leave like a space here in the middle. Like that. Go to audio, go to sound effects, and search for camera and add in camera shutter 2. Then you're just going to want to delete the rest of this part. Then you're going to put it kind of like where the video transition is, and this is what your video should look like. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.